Konnichiwa. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the particle to as an accompaniment marker. So to talk about doing an activity together with someone else. So first, let's take this sentence as an example. So Tanaka-san plays games. So we've already learned how to say this in the previous lesson. This would be Tanaka-san wa game wo shimasu. Tanaka-san wa game wo shimasu. We've got our topic, our direct objects, and our verb. Now, what if we want to say Tanaka-san plays games with Smith-san? So we want to say who he performs the action with. In this case, we would slip in Smith-san to here. So Tanaka-san wa Smith-san to game wo shimasu. Now this to particle we've already seen elsewhere. We've seen noun to noun to mean noun and noun. So that's if to is connecting two nouns together. If that's not what it's doing, if we just have noun to and then the other elements of a sentence, it means with in English. So it indicates who is accompanying the subject in doing the action. So Smith-san is playing the games with Tanaka-san, or Tanaka-san is playing video games with Smith-san. Tanaka-san wa Smith-san to game wo shimasu. It can be used in that way. So depending on the context, to can mean different things. Now, another optional thing you can add in here. So Tanaka-san plays video games with Smith-san. Tanaka-san wa Smith-san to game wo shimasu. Perfectly fine. We could also change this to Tanaka-san plays video games together with Smith-san. Tanaka-san wa Smith-san to issho ni game wo shimasu. Both of these mean pretty much the same thing. You can add in this issho ni, together, after the companion phrase, so the person to with person. And not really change the meaning much. It just emphasizes the togetherness of the action. So just like adding together in English, basically. Either way is fine, but just know that that's an option that you can use with this to particle. How about questions? So if we wanted to ask, we don't know who Tanaka-san plays video games with, and we want to ask who does Tanaka-san play video games with, that would be Tanaka-san wa dare to game wo shimasu ka? So we use that exact same structure. We just take out the answer, replace it with the question word that we need the answer for. So dare to, with whom, right? Dare to game wo shimasu ka? Then the answer could be Smith-san to game wo shimasu. Or let's say he plays alone. This is another new vocabulary word from this lesson, but we don't use to in this case because nobody is accompanying anybody. This would be Tanaka-san wa hitori de game wo shimasu. So this hitori de is a set phrase meaning alone, and you'll recognize the hitori as one person. So it's related to that idea of one person meaning alone. Tanaka-san wa hitori de game wo shimasu. Okay, so now you know how to talk about people doing activities with other people and to ask and answer questions about it. So that's all for today's video. Until next time, じゃあまた。